Hi, readers. It's Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo. How are you today? It is so good to see you, and Baby Echo wants me to read you a joke. Are you ready? Okay. Where do cars get the most flat tires? At forks in the road. Do you know what a fork in the road is? It's when the road kind of have two choices that you can choose to go. Get it? A fork in the road. And if a fork was really in the road, like a fork you eat with, it would probably pop your tire. It would be sharp. Okay, what do you say we get started with our warm up today? Let's take a look at all of our sounds and repeat after me. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, long, ung. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. S, snakes. S, bugs, z. V, v. Great job, everybody. And now we are going to talk about our pirate sounds, our R control vowels. Are you ready? After me. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, hot. So these three all say Great job, everybody. And now let's look at a couple vowel teams that we've learned so far this year. The long A sounds, repeat after me. A-I, bait A. Catch that worm on your fishing hook. It's your bait. Catch the fish. A-Y, play A. Now for the long E's. E-E, jeep E. E-A, eat E. E-Y, key E. And we've learned two more. This is a type of coin. It's actually a quarter worth 25 cents. O-I, coin oi. And O-Y, oi oi. Fantastic. And today we have a word of the day. We'll do some echo find letters and words, and then we'll end with some dictation. It's a busy day. Okay, get ready to read my word of the day. Here we go. It starts with a blend. What does that blend say, everybody? And then we have a vowel that is closed in, and when a word ends in an L, we know it can't just be one L when it comes right after the short vowel. It has to have another L because it's a bonus letter. And I'm going to add a handy dandy suffix S. So let's first read the base word. Here we go. Spell. Spell. And now we add the suffix. Spells. Spell, spells. What do you think of when you hear this word? Oh, you think about spelling a word. So like the sentence, Nemo spells very well. That would mean that this S makes this an action, a verb. He can spell. Anyone have another idea that comes to mind for spells? Ooh, you're thinking about witches who do spells. And then that would make this a noun, a thing, a spell. And this makes it plural, more than one spell. I put a spell on you. Okay, now let's see if we know how to mark the word spells. Here it is. Okay, and watch me. I am going to scoop the syllable or underline and circle the suffix. And then I'm going to think, what kind of syllable is this? Well, we said it's closed in. So that means the E makes its short sound. And we also want to mark the blend. We have to blend that SP together. Like spring and sprinkle and splendid spells. There's one more thing I should mark. Do you know what it is? Very good. We put the star over the bonus L. Spells. Okay. I want you to stop right here and find your student notebook. It's time for us to put this word spells into our student notebook. So you need to find the vocabulary section, all these pages that look like this, and find the letter S. Depending what notebook you're using, it could be a different page. This is good practice for you to look for the S. And right on that top line is where you're going to write the word spells and mark it. So I'll put that right up here. I want you to pause until you have that in. Okay, you're back. So now we need to add one more thing. We always add a sentence. So, hair in my mouth. What sentence could go with spells? Do you want to make it the spells like a witch's spell or like spelling? Like spelling? Okay. So, he spells very well. Yeah, we don't say very good, we say very well. And look at that. Well, also has a bonus L. That's cool. He spells very well. And very is one of our trick words. So now enter the sentence below. And when you finish it, we will scoop it and read it smoothly. He spells very well. Okay, pause the screen right here so you can put this into your notebook under the word spell. Fantastic, my friends. It's time for us to move into Echo Find Letters. So please take out your board that looks like this. I'm going to put some letters back up here. My bonus L, my S. You should make sure your board always looks tidy and neat. Things need to be in the correct order. Okay, so on your board, I want you to repeat after me, and then you need to find what I say. What says I? Point to it and tell me the letter's name. I, very good. What says K? You should be pointing to three things. C, what else? K and CK. Very good. What says onk? Like I'm gonna honk my horn. What says onk? Listen for ah. So it starts with ah, it starts with an O, and then listen to the end. Which one is it? O-N-K. Very good. Okay, now get ready to build a word. Okay, repeat after me. Bunch. Let's tap it out. B, a, n, ch. Build it. Spell it out loud and then build it. B, 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 b. Take your time. You can pause the screen if you would like to. Okay, I'm going to show you the answer. Are you ready? Tap out yours and see if it says bunch. B, a, ch, bunch. I did it. Bunch. Okay, let's spell it away. B, U, N, C-H. Fantastic. Let's try another word. Clogs. Like when the drain clogs up. So, do you hear suffix S? Me too. What's the base word? Clog. Let's tap out clog. K-L-A-G. Clog. build clog and then make it say clogs. Pause here if you need more time for clog. Okay, you did clog, tap it and check it. It's tricky to know which k sound it should be. In this one, it's a C. When it's a blend at the beginning of a word with an L, it's usually a C, like clothing and clutter and clink, clog. Okay, and now add your suffix S to make it say clogs. Check yours to mine. How did you do? Do you need to fix anything up? No? Good for you. Let's spell it away. C L O G suffix S. Let's do one more on our boards before we write some words. The last word I have for you is bells. What's the base word? Bell. Tap it. B, 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 b. Remember, my lips are going together, so when you look for the B, it needs to be the line or the lips first. B, eh, oh. L is at the end, right after that short vowel. Ding, ding, ding. Bonus letter. Okay, build, spell and build bell, and then make it say bells. B, b, b. Eh, 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 eh. Oh, bonus letter. I'm gonna make it say bells. Pause if you want a little more time before I show you my answer. Dun, dun, dun. See, I have the B because the lips are together. E, L, bonus L, suffix S. This means more than one bell, plural, plural noun, 2 bells or more. Let's spell it away. B, E, L, bonus L, suffix S. Great job, you guys. Make sure your board looks pretty neat. And then you might want to pause for a moment so that you can grab some paper. Remember, your teacher gave you this cool paper that has different parts on it. We're going to do a little writing on paper today. If you don't have any of this paper, it's okay. You can just use any paper that you have laying around or your whiteboard if you must. Okay. So let's start with sounds. We will do 3 sounds up at the top. The first sound that I would like you to do is Z. Write the 2 ways to do the sound Z. Make sure you're pinching your pencil, doing the right grip, and pay attention to the lines. Okay, it should look like that. Z and S. They both start on the plain line. Okay, let's go over to number 2. Repeat after me. Ink. Write the sound that says ink. Okay, there it is. I-N-K. And let's do one more sound, shall we? Repeat after me. It's a digraph. Shh. Write the letters that say shh. You ready? SH. Okay, and we have time today to do one sentence. So we're actually going to jump all the way down to the sentence part and do that today. Repeat after me. The pink shell was between the rocks. Oh, that's a beautiful, I can visualize that. Can you see that in your head? I'm at the beach and there's a pink shell between 2 rocks. I want that pink shell. I'm going to get it. But first we have to write the sentence. Let's count the words. The pink shell was between the rocks. 7 words. If you want to write out 7 lines, you can. The is a trick word. Pink you can tap out. Shell you can tap out. Was is a trick word. Between is a trick word. The is a trick word. And rocks you can tap out. Pause here and do your sentence. Okay, you're back. I'll put the answer up for you to check it on your own and practice reading.